and shift to story number 2. It's game over for a key member of the Bishnoi gang. We are talking about Anmol Bishnoi, the brother of jailed gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, one of India's most wanted organized crime fugitives. He has been deported from the US. He has been brought back to India. It's a big victory for our agencies as news tightens around the Bishnoi gang. And as we speak, he has been produced before the court, before the Patiala House Court. Times Now has accessed exclusive visuals of Anmol Bishnoi as our team of reporters track his movements on the ground. And those are the exclusive visuals that we are getting for you of Anmol Bishnoi as he has been produced in the Patiala House Court from the Indira Gandhi International Airport, where he landed from the United States of America. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Priyank, you've been tracking Anmol Bishnoi from the airport to Patiala House Court. Tell us what's happening right now. We are showing to our viewers first an exclusive set of visuals of Anmol Bishnoi.
Yes, Anmol Bishnoi is right now inside the court of Patiala House Court, the special NIA court. What we can tell you to our viewers that Anmol Bishnoi has been produced and the NIA has now sought 15 days of police remand from the court. This NIA has dealt the role of Anmol Bishnoi, and what they have also been telling you to court that he is the 19th member of the syndicate, and the custodial interrogation is imperative to unearth the larger conspiracy and the scheme of things. These are the exclusive details which we are telling to our viewers, where the NIA has told it to the court that the custodial interrogation is imperative to unearth the larger scheme of things which was being done by Anmol Bishnoi and his gang members. The custodial interrogation is also needed to undermine the source and fund of the members and how many members of the syndicate have been there. And it is also being told to the court that how Bishnoi has disclosed that more people are involved. This is what we were telling you to our viewers, and has also been told to the court by the National Investigation Agency, while they have been seeking 15 days of police remand, that Anmol Bishnoi is the key member of the syndicate, and his role is very important because he can tell you to the investigators that how many individuals are there, how he was receiving funding, and how he was in the know about all those individuals who have been part of the syndicate.
All right. Thank you very much, Priyank. Appreciate you joining us with those inputs. And we would also like to now play out for our viewers an exclusive report that was filed by my colleague Priyank Tripathi a short while ago.
India's most infamous gangster, Anmol Bishnoi, is being brought to the Patiala House Court by the National Investigation Agency. As you can see, Anmol is there along officials, and Anmol is not replying to the questions set forth. This is very important because Anmol Bishnoi was the one who was involved in the killing of Baba Siddiqui. He was the one who was involved in firing outside Salman Khan's residence. Anmol Bishnoi being taken inside the court. Exclusive visuals for the viewers of Times at Work. India's most infamous gangster, Anmol Bishnoi, is being brought to the Patiala House Court by the National Investigation Agency. As you can see, Anmol is there along officials, and Anmol is not replying to the questions set forth. This is very important because Anmol Bishnoi was the one who was involved in the killing of Baba Siddiqui. He was the one who was involved in firing outside Salman Khan's residence. Anmol Bishnoi being taken inside the court. Exclusive visuals for the viewers of Times at Work.
And it is time for the most wanted gangster here in India to face the law. Remember, he's wanted in India for some very high-profile cases as well. Sample this, the Sidhu Moosewala case of May 2022. Anmol Bishnoi is accused of providing arms and logistical support to the Punjabi singer shooters. Just a month before Sidhu Moosewala was targeted, Anmol fled India. Then in April last year, firing incident outside actor Salman Khan's residence took place. Then that brought him back to the limelight. Anmol Bishnoi claimed responsibility. Then in October last year, former Minister Baba Siddiqui was shot dead outside his son Zishan's Bandra office. He was targeted by 3 armed assailants. Several members of the Bishnoi gang were arrested, and Anmol Bishnoi was identified as the prime plotter in the murder of the NCP leader Baba Siddiqui. Now, in what is being seen as a big victory for security agencies, the United States Department of Homeland Security confirmed Anmol's deportation in an email to NCP leader and former MLA Zishan Siddiqui. The email stated that Anmol was officially expelled from the American soil on 18th of November. And today, 19th of November, he's back here in India to face the law. Let's now tell you a little bit about his secret escape and the deportation. Anmol Bishnoi fled India with a fake passport in the name of Bhanu Pratap, and this happened in April 2022. He was shown in that fake passport as a resident of Rohtak in Haryana. Then in October 2024, NIA announced a bounty of 10 lakh rupees on him. November 2024, he was detained in Sacramento for illegally entering the United States of America. 18th of November, just yesterday, his asylum application was turned down by the court in the United States of America. And then today, he has been dragged to India to face the law. Now, viewers, Anmol Bishnoi is by far the biggest name among gangsters being deported. Times now has accessed exclusive details of NIA charge sheet against Anmol Bishnoi. Sources say Bishnoi gang morphed into Dawood-style organized crime syndicate. Under Anmol Bishnoi, like Dawood Ibrahim, Lawrence Bishnoi had become a notorious gangster who started assisting terrorist organizations within a period of 10 years of his criminal activities. And viewers, we have some